Hello, this is a video tour of 2273 15th Street. We're at the exterior of the building. This is located in a fabulous location. You're walking distance to Buena Vista Park, Dubose Park, and many wonderful restaurants, shops, and conveniences. Okay, you have a keyless entry, and we're going to be touring this lovely top floor 2-bedroom unit. And other tenants have used it as a converted 3-bedroom, so you can convert the dining room to a 3rd bedroom if that's what you choose to do. So you walk into this nice foyer, beautiful hardwood floors throughout. Towards the back of the building are the bedrooms, and this is the start of the tour, which we will do in the living room. Nice, big, beautiful living room. You do have a really nice view, distant view of the city. It's located on a quiet street. You have a decorative fireplace, built-in shelving. This is the formal dining room, which has frequently been converted to a 3rd bedroom. You do have solid doors for privacy, or you can swing it wide open as well. Private laundry, beautiful, completely remodeled kitchen with stone counters. You have a gas range, stylish floors, dishwasher, stainless sink, plus a bonus room back here. This would be a great breakfast room. Now these walls will be painted as well. There's lots of counter and cabinet space, and here's a closer look at the laundry machines. Front loaders. Okay, so there is the entryway. You have this nice old telephone booth here. In the olden days, you would sit and talk on the phone. That is original, which is a fun feature to have. Here is a half bath. Bathtub with shower combination. You have 2 closets in here. Here's the first linen closet. This is the second closet. Bedroom. Both of the bedrooms are pretty equal in size as well. This faces the back. Nice big cedar-lined closet. These are walk-in closets. You have lots of hooks for convenience of hanging, gas heat, and you have heater vents in each of the rooms, including the hallway. And here is the second bedroom. Now you can access the sunroom from both bedrooms. Okay, and here is another walk-in closet. Nice cedar-lined closet. And this overlooks the back as well. And this is a sunroom. It'd make a great office. And you have direct access to your private deck. Okay, if you're interested in this lovely space, please go to rentalsnsf.com. Thanks so much and have a great day.